this is to start by doing everything inside the brackets first. So complete everything inside of the brackets first. So do this first. So 6 plus 5 minus 3, that would be 8 here. So you would put that all together, and then you get 8. So then squared here, and then let's just continue with this here. So 4 minus 2 times 8, based on BEDMAS, multiplication comes first. So negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. And then 6 plus 5 minus 3, that would be 8 again. And then squared here, plus, and then 4 minus 2 times 8, so 4 minus 16 again here. And then 6 plus 5 minus 3 would be 8 again. And then add to 4 minus 2 times 8, 4 minus 16. So you get this, and then 4 minus 16 would be negative 12 here. Plus so then plus negative 12, and then 8 squared here, plus negative 12 here. So 8 squared is 64, plus negative 12 times 64 here, plus negative 12 times 64, plus negative 12. And then you would have to combine that all together here. So here, 12 times 64, that would be negative 768, 64 plus, so minus 768, minus 768, minus 12 here. So you do that, and then you would have to do, to get the final answer, 64 minus 768 minus 768 minus 12. And then you would get, in this case, negative 1484. So that's how you do that one. And then for this one, to start off, 2 cubed would just be 8. And then 3 squared would be 9. So you do that, and then minus like 5. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 7 here. And then 2 cubed is 8 plus 9 here, minus 10 plus 7. 2 cubed is 8 plus 3 squared is 9 again. Then minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 7. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Minus 17, so 10 plus 7 is 17. Minus 17. 8 plus 9 is also 17. Minus 17. 17 minus 17. So you do that. So 17 minus, and 17 times 17 is 289. So you get minus 289, minus 289, minus 17. So what you would do here, 17 minus 289, minus 289, minus 17 will be negative 578. So that would become negative 578 as the answer here. And if you keep going here, so 12 divided by 4 to start, 12 divided by 4 would be 3, plus 3 cubed, minus, so 72 divided by 2 is 36, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 3 cubed, and then minus 7 squared is 49 divided by 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 3, and then cubed here. And then minus, so 72 divided by 2 is 36, negative 36. So yeah, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then cubed minus 36. 6 cubed, and then minus 49 divided by 2 would be 24.5. 6 cubed here, minus 36, and then 6 cubed would be 236. $216 actually. So 216 minus 36, 216 minus 24.5, and then 6 cubed, yeah, 216 again, minus 36. And then if you did that, it would be 36 times 216, that would be minus 7776. And then 24.5 times 216 would be 5292 minus 36. So then you'd have to do 216 minus 7776 minus 5292 minus 36. And then that would equal negative 12,888. So that's how you do that one. And then this one here, you would start with what's in the brackets. So exponents in the brackets would come first. So 2 to the 4 would be 16 divided by 5 here, and then plus, and then 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6, and then 2 to the 4 again is 16. And then divide that all by 5 here. And then plus 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 minus 3 is 6, plus 24, divided by 5, and then plus 9. So then you have 9 minus 3 plus 16. That would be 22, divided by 5, plus, so 9 times 6 plus 16. So 6 plus 16 is 22. So 9 times 22 divided by 5, and then plus 9. And then 6 plus 24 is 30. 5 plus 9. And then we can figure out what 9 times 22 will be. That is going to be 198. So 198 divided by 5. And then 9 times 30 is going to be 270. Divided by 5 plus 9. And then we just take this, and then we'll put it in the calculator here. And then we would get 107. So that's how you do that one. And then this time you were tasked with simplifying and expressing the results in decimal and fractional forms. So convert 48% in both decimal and fractional forms. So 48% in decimal form. So how you do that is you do 48% divided by 100, and you get 0.48. That would be in decimal form. And then 48% in fraction form. So 48% in fractional form. What we'd have to do is we'd have to do 48 divided by 100. Then we'd simplify it. So then 24 divided by 50. So how we would simplify this is we take the 48 divided by 100. We find two numbers that divide into them equally. So 4 would work here. So yeah, 4 would work for both here, because 4 would go into both of them equally here. So then you get 12 divided by 25. So that would work. It would be 12 divided by 25, and then there's nothing else that would work with that. Yeah, so you couldn't do 12 divided by 5 evenly. That wouldn't work. So that's how you do that one. And then this one in fractional form, 17.5%. In decimal form, that would be 17.5% divided by 100, and then you get 0.175. That's decimal. 17.5% in fractional form is 17.5 divided by 100. And then you want to simplify that. So you got to find something that divides into both evenly. So So you got to figure out something that divides into that evenly. So 25, so 2.5 in this case would work. So what you could do is you do 17.5 divided by 2.5. That would work. And then 100 divided by 2.5. So you could do that, and then you would get 7 divided by 40. So that would work here. But yeah, you'd have to do trial and error and figure that out here. And then convert 0.85 as percentage to 0.85 times 100% equals 85%. So that's how you do that one. And then finally, the instructor asks you to express a fraction of percentage, express 5/8 as a percent. So how you would do that is convert it to decimal form. So 5/8 is the same as 0.625. So that's what it would be here. You convert it to decimal, 5/8 equals 0.625, and then you take 0.625 times 100.